If you're somebody in pain right now, I want you to do this little short 5-minute practice with me that can instantly give you relief. So, what I want you to do with me is first take one big inhalation in. Notice my shoulders come up, and then on the exhale, out through the mouth. Shoulders come down. Do that again. Shoulders come up with the inhale. Exhale out with the shoulders down. Really feel the shoulders come down. Now, with your eyes, I want you to soften your gaze. And I want you to look at the whole perimeter around. See the outer rim of what your eyes can see. We call this owl eyes, or in the ancient Hawaiian tradition, they call this haka. Tune into that. And now take a deep inhale in. Shoulders come up as you keep your eyes on the outer rim, and then exhale out. Again. Shoulders up. Inhale. Exhale, shoulders down. Keep your attention on the outer rim of what you can see. Can you already feel your mind's quieting? Can you already feel your body starting to shift into a relaxed state? So keep doing this with me just a little bit longer. Inhale again, shoulders up. Eyes relaxed. Exhale, shoulders down. Just like that. One more time. Inhale. Shoulders up. Exhale. Shoulders down. And my eyes are very relaxed now. So now you can keep doing the breath with your eyes in this relaxed gaze. And now on the exhale, just do it out through the nose, so not through the mouth. And just a little bit longer with the exhale. Now when you breathe in this time, I want you to breathe as if you're like breathing deep into not just your eyes, but into the brain. Like you can even hear the air going into the navel passage up into the brain. Same thing with the exhale. Eyes still very relaxed. Focusing on the outer rim. Now you're really oxygenating your brain and nervous system. Can you feel the shift now? Can you feel your mind relax? Can you start to feel your body's relaxing? Just like that. Now, as you do this more and more, what's going to happen is you're going to feel more and more relaxed, and then it's okay to close your eyes and do the breath the same way. And you might even fall asleep, that's okay, or go into a deep state of rest. And by the way, notice if there's been a shift in your pain. If there has, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear it and share your experience of this. This is a very, very simple practice you can do any time of the day, in the middle of the night when you can't sleep. Just do this. So it's two processes happening simultaneously. I'm allowing my vision to go into a peripheral vision, owl eyes, haka. That's allowing my brain to not be on a convergent focus, but a divergent focus. And by doing that, I'm activating different parts of my brain that's starting to stimulate that parasympathetic response that we all have. Second thing is I'm allowing my breath to intentionally start to relax and draw back into more the dorsal vagal complex. And this happens with the specific HRV coherence breath. So those two things together will definitely help, if not put you in a deeper state of relaxation. It will help alleviate your pain over time. And let me know again in the comments. Like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you get a notification of my videos as they come live. And thank you all. Appreciate you, and have a blessed rest of your day. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.